What's up, everyone? Get ready for an in-depth look at this incredible piece of tech we've been testing. Today we're diving deep into a machine that promises to redefine productivity for businesses of all sizes. The HP PageWide Enterprise ColorFlow 586z Multifunction Duplex Printer. This isn't just another printer. It's an enterprise powerhouse designed to handle everything your demanding office environment can throw at it. Print, scan, copy, and fax, all in one sleek, robust package. First off, let's talk about raw, unadulterated speed and efficiency. In the business world, time is money, and the 586z understands that perfectly. We're talking print speeds up to a blistering 75 pages per minute in color. Yes, color. And your first page out? A mere 7.1 seconds. Imagine the impact this has on your workflow, especially during peak hours. No more waiting around the printer, tapping your foot. But it's not just about printing fast. It's about scanning even smarter. This beast features single-pass, two-sided scanning using a 100-sheet auto-document feeder powered by HP EveryPage technology. What does that mean for you? It means every single page, even those with varying thicknesses or slightly bent corners, is captured reliably and accurately. No more worrying about missing a crucial detail or having to rescan an entire document. You get confidence in your data capture every single time, drastically streamlining your document management. Now, let's address the elephant in the room for many businesses, the cost of color printing. Historically, vibrant color has come with a premium, often making companies hesitant to use it for everyday documents. Well, prepare to have your mind changed. The HP PageWide Enterprise ColorFlow 586z delivers up to a phenomenal 40% lower color cost per page compared to traditional lasers. Think about that. Professional, impactful color documents, marketing materials, presentations, all available at a cost that makes sense for everyday office use. This isn't just a minor saving. It's a game changer for your budget, allowing you to use color strategically without breaking the bank. You can finally make your reports and presentations pop without second-guessing the expense. But speed and savings aren't the only aspects that make this printer stand out. Let's talk about the user experience. HP has truly thought about the person standing in front of this machine. Managing tasks is incredibly quick and intuitive thanks to the large, 8-inch pivoting touchscreen display. It's responsive, easy to navigate, and puts all the printer's powerful features right at your fingertips. And for those moments when you need to input complex information, like a network path for a scan or an email address, HP has included a brilliant, often overlooked feature, a pull-out keyboard. Yes, a physical keyboard. This eliminates the frustrating hunt and peck on-screen typing, saving you precious seconds and minimizing errors. Plus, for ultimate efficiency, it boasts built-in OCR or optical character recognition. This means you can scan a physical document and instantly convert it into editable, searchable text. Imagine scanning an invoice or contract and being able to copy and paste information directly rather than manually retyping it. That's a massive productivity boost right there. And finally, in today's digital landscape, security is paramount. The HP PageWide Enterprise ColorFlow 586z offers unparalleled fleet security and management. This isn't just basic password protection. We're talking strong, multi-level security features designed to protect your data, your devices, and your sensitive documents from the moment they're printed or scanned. With optional features like HP Jet Advantage Security Manager, you can deploy fleet-wide protection, ensuring your entire printing infrastructure is locked down and compliant. This gives you incredible peace of mind, knowing your confidential information is safeguarded against evolving threats. So, who is this printer for? It's for the forward-thinking business that demands speed, efficiency, significant cost savings, and top-tier security, all wrapped up in an incredibly user-friendly package. The HP PageWide Enterprise ColorFlow 586z isn't just an upgrade. It's an investment in your company's future productivity and financial health. If you're ready to transform your office workflow, reduce your printing costs, and enhance your document security, then the HP PageWide Enterprise ColorFlow 586z is absolutely worth your attention. You can find more detailed specifications and purchase options by clicking the link in the description below. Don't just print. Print smarter, faster, and more securely. Your business deserves this kind of power.